Air or sea isn't really a freight question, it's an inventory bet. You'll see an attractive sea freight unit cost and an urgent air quote, and neither number answers the real question. How much cash and customer demand should you commit before the next replenishment lands? Each mode protects one thing. Air protects time, short lead, fast replenishment, but it can erase the margin on bulky or heavy goods entirely. Sea protects unit economics, but only if enough of the inventory actually sells, and your cash can survive production, consolidation, sailing, clearance, and delivery variation. Sending the wrong variants cheaply is still an expensive inventory decision. So model the constraint, not the mode. Start from your numbers: sellable stock by SKU, paid demand, not store traffic, confirmed inbound units, and your realistic reorder point. Then compare the two quotes all in: landed cost of the actual packed goods, the arrival range rather than a fixed day count, handling, customs, storage, minimum charges, and the cost of running out. The stock out you didn't price in is the most expensive line on the quote. Often, the answer is a split, not a winner. Air carries a small batch of proven fast movers, so you keep selling while the boat sails. Sea carries the base replenishment at unit economics, and keep unproven variants and likely product revisions out of the long commitment until demand and quality are clearer. Before sea makes sense, 5 things must already be true. The product version and packaging are stable enough to commit in bulk. Demand is measured per SKU. Cash can stay tied up through the full cycle. Receiving, counting, and exceptions are handled at the destination. And there's a response plan if production or transit runs long. The decision rule: judge every quote against the latest useful arrival date, total landed cost, and cash tied up. Sea isn't cheaper if the inventory arrives after the selling window. Air isn't faster in any useful sense if its cost removes the margin. And write a review trigger into the plan, so a one-off choice doesn't quietly become a habit. Deciding between an air top-up and a sea batch? Send us the SKU numbers at ryanfulfill.com. We'll quote both against your real constraint.